Hi, friends. Today's story is called Nature Spy. And that's the title of the story. And it's written by Shelley Rotner and Ken Chrysler. And the photographs are by Shelley Rotner. So she wrote the words and did the photographs in the book. All right. Nature Spy. What is that girl doing in that tree? Oh, did she climb that tree? That's so silly. Let's find out what the story's about. Nature Spy. Oh, what is she doing? What are those big green things? Wow, those are some big leaves. For Emily, my little nature spy. For Linda, dream a little dream with me. I like to go outside to look around and discover things. Oh, she's going to go play outside. Look at all the leaves on the ground. What time of year do you think it is? Do you think it's summertime, springtime, fall time, or wintertime? Well, there's no snow, so it can't be winter. And she's got long sleeves and pants on, so I don't think it's summer when it's hot. I see leaves on the ground with different colors. I bet it's fall time. We're going to head into fall time right now. Pretty soon, the leaves will be changing colors and they'll fall off the trees. To take a really close look, even closer. Ooh, what's that? A flower. And closer. Whoa. So look at that. That's the inside of a flower. My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls me a nature spy. Ooh, she likes to find things out in nature. And her mom calls her a nature spy. Sometimes I look so closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf. Oh yeah, see the lines on the leaf? Those are called like the veins of the leaf. Or one small acorn on the branch. There's an acorn. What animals like to eat acorns? Do you know? Squirrels! You're right, squirrels. They love acorns. Or seeds in a pod. I noticed the feathers of a bird. Oh, look at the feathers. Or the golden eye of a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. The frog's on the lily pad. Ooh, look at those big eyes. He's looking at us. When you look closely, things look so different, like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest. Oh yeah, look at that. The bees were one time in that nest making honey. The seeds of a sunflower or even a rock. Yeah, so if you look up closely at these, they look way different, don't they? That's the seeds of a sunflower. And then on the right-hand side is a rock. Sometimes they're patterned like ice on a frozen pond. Whoa, that's ice on a frozen pond. That's so cool. Or a spider's web or a butterfly wing. Everything has its own shape and color. And size. Ooh, we're almost around pumpkin time. Pumpkins come in different colors, sizes, and shapes. Look closely at a turtle shell. Ooh, look at, you see the turtle shell? Miss Kristen had 2 turtles. All right, or a dog's fur. Oh, look at the dog. I love doggies. Oh, look at, there's the dog's fur. It's all soft and long hair and different, it's white and black. Or even raspberries. Or kernels of corn. Ooh, corn on the cob, yummy. Do you like corn on the cob? I do. No matter where you look, up or all around, there's always something to see when you're a nature spy. So you guys could go outside if you take a walk with your family, or you go to the park and you can become a nature spy, right? You can spy, you can go up and look at leaves closely. You can look at flower petals, flowers closely. Yeah, you get to be a nature spy. All right, I hope you enjoyed our story today. Thanks for watching.